show you how to make a background transparent. I figured it out. All right, first thing, I already copied an image from Google Images, and I picked a little megaphone. Okay, we're going to go to Magic Select. We played around with that one before, but now I know how to do it. All right, Magic Select. Then we go to next. On this tool where you have this little blue outline, you have to make sure that it's around the whole thing that you want it to select. I chose an image without like a little strap because sometimes it doesn't select that and it's a pain to add and remove. But this is how you add and remove if it's not. And I'm going to go to undo so it puts it back. Okay, so it did a really good job. So we're going to go to done. Okay, now the image, you can move it away, and I'm going to shrink it just a little bit, which makes it easier to move off this background so I can show you. All right, I'm going to move it over there. I'm going to select the background, and now that background, I erased the background that this came with. Now I'm going to move it back when it highlights like that to the canvas. This is the canvas. Okay, now we're on the canvas. You're going to make sure transparent canvas. Okay, that's on. Now we can see it's transparent. Now the only other thing to do is save it. So we're going to go to Save As, make sure it's image, and it's a PNG image. Make sure transparency is checked. And then you save it. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. There we go. And I'm going to call it Megaphone and save it. Okay, now we're done. Let me show you now how to put it in your Google slide. Let me find yours. Sorry, I have lots of Google slides open. Yay. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Insert. And I'm going to go to Image, Upload from Computer, and I think I put it on desktop. Let's see, there it is, Megaphone, open. There it is, no background. All right, we did it. And of course, you know how to do all this. I thought maybe you could attach your email to this Megaphone or like any announcements you had for PE. I don't know where you want to put this, Jenna. All right, that's it. I'm going to send you this video. Good luck. You're going to have to experiment a little bit. You'll learn it as you do it. Goodbye.